First, my mesh is working great. Then suddenly it's not. Then I try it again and it's working way better this time, but not so much the next time. So what's going on? Why am I getting inconsistent results? I'll explain everything you need to know, so stick around. Hey there, what's up? My name's Andrew Kotlar, and woven wire mesh is all about accurate and repeatable results. That's its strength. But what happens when it's not? Well, there's a lot of factors that can alter that accuracy and reliability of your mesh. And don't worry, it's more than just user error, because WS Tyler has dedicated itself on utilizing its 150 years of experience to help you get to the bottom of the wire mesh's performance hiccups that could be leaving you puzzled. So in this video, we'll go over the definition of inconsistent woven wire performance, the causes, the concerns, and how to prevent inconsistent woven wire performance. Inconsistent woven wire mesh performance is when the typical behavior of woven wire begins to deviate when applied to a specific application. This irregular behavior can come in many forms, including inconsistent filtration, inconsistent particle separation, and uneven structural strength. These inconsistencies can stem from a lot of things, which we will discuss in the next section, but they can have detrimental impact on the quality, efficiency, and safety of your operation. Woven wire is literally known for its accuracy, but there's factors like weave tightness, environmental issues, wear and tear, improper maintenance, and physical damage that can prevent that. So if you work with different kinds of mesh, you'll find that tighter weaves tend to be more rigid, whereas looser weaves are, well, looser and allow for more particles to flow through. But just because it started out rigid doesn't mean it'll stay that way, especially when the manufacturer fails to implement a quality weaving technique. So when the tautness of your mesh changes, you'll encounter variations in performance. While woven wire can be used in a wide range of applications, the environment in which it is placed will have a substantial impact on its performance over time. If your mesh is designed to withstand factors like temperature, humidity, or corrosiveness, altered performance is probably going to happen. No matter what alloy or quality level of your woven wire, yes, even stainless steel, wear and tear is inevitable over time. This is even more true when the mesh is subjected to abrasive or corrosive materials. And as more time passes and the wear and tear becomes more severe, inconsistencies in mesh performance will become more prominent. It's super critical to apply techniques like visual inspection and consistent cleanings. This will work to prevent or identify plugged pore openings, breaks, corrosion, and material contamination. And failing to implement a maintenance routine can compromise the integrity of your woven wire's accuracy, thus affecting its performance. See what I'm saying? It's all about the performance. And whether through high impact usage from your operation or mishandling by personnel, physical damage can be detrimental to the reliability of your mesh. Damage like torn or bent wires can present inconsistencies in woven wire performance. So woven wire mesh is predominantly used in filtration or separation applications because of those accurate pore openings. But without accuracy, when performance begins to wane, what even is woven wire mesh? For example, when your mesh begins to perform inconsistently, you may begin to find unwanted particles passing through. This, in turn, compromises the quality of the end product. And in certain cases, this can render the material unusable since it won't comply with industry standards. And because inconsistent mesh performance can stem from physical damage, weak points that speed up degradation and eventually lead to full-on breaks can become a little concerning. Of course, this will raise even more concerns about both the longevity and, even more importantly, the safety of your mesh. But in terms of the state of your mesh, performance can require you to spend more time maintaining the mesh to prevent faults or breaks. So in certain cases, increased replacement expenses can be the end result of an inconsistent mesh performance. This can be the woven wire itself or damaged machinery affected by the inconsistent performance. Let's get down to brass tacks. Your woven wire will perform as well as the material it's woven from. With this in mind, preventing inconsistent woven wire performance starts with integrating high-quality woven wire mesh that is produced to accommodate your exact need from trustworthy mesh suppliers. It's also critical that your woven wire is installed properly. This includes ensuring that it's properly secured and the proper amount of tensioning, if any, is applied. But once in use, it's recommended that you inspect your woven wire for wear, damage, and particle accumulation. This should go hand in hand with a regular cleaning regimen in which residual particles are thoroughly removed. In the case that inconsistent performance is caused by broken woven wire, it should be replaced as soon as the fault is discovered. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a contact us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click that second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name's Andrew Kotlar and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.